In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find deleted tickets in Freshdesk. Whether you're looking to locate, restore, or permanently delete these tickets, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you understand each part of managing your digital workspace more effectively. Let's begin with how you can view and manage deleted tickets, commonly referred to as the trash, in Freshdesk. If you've deleted any tickets within the last 30 days and need to access them, you can find them in a specific area of your Freshdesk portal. First, you'll want to navigate to the Tickets tab on your Freshdesk dashboard. Once you're there, look for the hamburger icon, those three horizontal lines near the top of the ticket list. Clicking this icon will reveal additional options for viewing your tickets. From here, you'll encounter a drop-down menu titled List View Names. In this menu, you'll want to select the option marked as Trash. This takes you directly to all the tickets that have been deleted within the past month. Once you're in the Trash section, you'll notice there are several actions you can take. If you realize a ticket was deleted by mistake or circumstances have changed, you can restore these tickets back into your live queue with just a simple click. This action is particularly useful for tickets that may need further attention or follow-up. Another option available in this view is marking tickets as not spam. If a ticket was accidentally marked as spam, you can easily rectify that here. Simply clicking Not Spam will move the ticket back into your active ticket stream, making it visible and actionable again. If you determine that the ticket is indeed no longer needed, you also have the option to delete forever. It's important to remember that choosing this option will result in the permanent removal of the ticket. Also, keep in mind that any tickets residing in the trash for more than 30 days are automatically deleted from there forever. So, if there's anything you want to recover or any actions you want to take, be sure to do so within that time frame. Now, let's talk briefly about the difference between spam and trash in Freshdesk's system, as it can sometimes be a source of confusion. Tickets that have been marked as spam, either manually by users or automatically by the system, especially those originating from blocked users, will appear in the spam view. This is distinctly separate from where you find the trash. Within the spam view, just like in trash, you can choose to click Not Spam to reintegrate the ticket back into the active stream, or you can restore or delete them entirely based on your needs. By understanding these distinctions and learning how to navigate both the trash and spam views, you'll be better equipped to manage your tickets efficiently and ensure a well-organized workspace in Freshdesk. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.